Looking for a way to store 164 terabytes of data at home? That's like having 32,800 movies on your computer. We found a device that lets you do exactly that, and more. You can access all your files from anywhere, just like regular cloud storage. But here's the interesting part. Your data stays in your house, safe and private. We've been using the ZimaCube for a while now, and today we are going to share our experience to see if it lives up to the hype. Does it deliver on its promises of fast data transfer and easy access to files? Let's find out. Let's start with what you get in the box. Opening it up, we found everything smartly packed. The main unit, power adapter, and setup guide. The packaging was meticulously done to secure the product from any damage during shipping, which we really appreciated. Upon the lifting of ZimaCube, its 5.4 kilogram weight feels way lighter than we usually thought because it looks goddamn big. The aluminum alloy feels incredibly sturdy in your hands, and after a month of daily use, we've confirmed it's designed for long-lasting performance. The first thing we did was to place it on our office desk, where its modern cube design fits perfectly with the office's ergonomics and hardly made a tangible impression because neither does it have an odd color, nor is it too big to waste up the space. After using the ZimaCube every day for a month, we've really come to love its smart design. The cube shape is simple and looks great, and the slightly wider front makes it fit into any room without a hitch. The aluminum alloy built with CNC technology not only keeps it cool during heavy use, but also makes it sturdy enough for everyday wear and tear. The user-friendly layout, with neatly lined-up controls, is easy to navigate, and the magnetically detachable cover lets you swap disks quickly and effortlessly. All in all, the ZimaCube has a great design and practical features, making it a solid choice for your daily needs. Now let's take a look into the unique aspects of the ZimaCube. Unlike traditional NAS systems or cloud storage solutions, the ZimaCube offers a hyper-hybrid experience with its 6+1 configuration, allowing for RAID options including 0, 1, and 5. This means you get redundancy and resilience, reassuring you that your data is secure. The ZimaCube can store up to 164 terabytes, which is awesome for both home use and small businesses. What really makes it different is the super-fast performance in the Pro model, powered by a 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processor and offering 10 GBE and 2.5 GBE networking options. Imagine moving files at 1 gigabyte per second. That's 20 times faster than regular cloud services. Creative professionals and anyone storing family photos and videos will really benefit from this speed. Plus, with multiple NVMe SSDs slots, you can easily add or upgrade your storage whenever you need. You can expand or upgrade your storage to meet your needs, whether it's more space or better performance. Setting up the ZimaCube is a user-friendly process. As we powered it on, we were greeted by a clear interface that guided us through the initial setup. The pre-installed ZimaOS is intuitive, drawing from familiar platforms like NAS and Unraid, making it approachable even for first-time users. If we prefer, we can integrate various operating systems, including Linux, Windows, or even Android, expanding our options further. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for those of us who want to tailor our experience based on specific requirements. Connecting to the ZimaCube is straightforward. It supports Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing us to access our data from anywhere. Whether we're at home or in a studio, we can log in remotely and access our files. This capability is ideal for collaboration, as we can effortlessly share projects and media libraries across devices. After using the ZimaCube daily for weeks, we tested it in different situations. We transferred files and streamed 4K videos. The system managed multiple users easily. 3 team members accessed large video files while backups ran in the background. The Pro model performed well in this scenario. We set up several Docker containers for testing, and the performance remained stable. We also did some basic video editing directly from the stored files, and the response time was impressive. Managing files on the ZimaCube became second nature during our testing period. We organized our test data across different drives, and the system made it easy to keep track of everything. The interface shows you exactly how much space you're using and warns you when drives are getting full. We tested the backup features extensively. Setting up automated backups was simple, and we verified that everything worked by recovering files from different points in time. You can access your files from any device, and we found mobile access particularly useful during out-of-office testing. Throughout our month-long test, we monitored system stability closely. The ZimaCube ran continuously, handling regular backups, file transfers, and streaming tasks. We deliberately pushed it hard some days, running multiple intensive tasks simultaneously. The cooling system proved effective. Even during our stress tests, the system remained stable. After our extensive testing period, we can confidently say that ZimaCube delivers on its promises. For regular users, the standard version offers plenty of power for file storage and media streaming. If you work with large files or need more processing power, the Pro model's upgraded processor and advanced features make a noticeable difference. We found it particularly useful for creative work, handling our photo and video projects with ease. Both versions give you that perfect balance of local storage speed with cloud-like accessibility. The price might seem high at first, but considering the features and performance we experienced, it's a solid investment for anyone serious about their data storage needs. Remember, you can start with the basic model and upgrade later if you need more power. The system is built to grow with your needs, which we think is a smart design choice. Based on our testing, whether you're a professional handling large files or a family storing precious memories, the ZimaCube can handle the job reliably.